계지 대주실 때 누가 맞지 어제
세다 요타제 손에 쫓는 데가 깔로 보내 무세마토나 다라제 치고는 자와진의 세토야요 제이가 될 깔로지 너네 세다 얘는 대가 가지 제다 세다요나 안되는 게 제가를 나눠서 원래 가는 제가 가라서 요타 제제 저도 아니 깔로로 제세 너나 테마 제바로 로아 제비 적저 저비 레와 제고 얘나 대제네 샤비 모노 모셔야 어떻게 제대
네, 저희 언제 너무 잘 됐습니다.
Pensasundiake, and Sergei, and Razan Kandachik, and then Logan Kani, anything, Ejik, and to make Tolin, and give us those Cheshire, Udina, Chen, Tolia, Chidu Jambe, anything, could so. Kembu, Shiko, Ching Chona, and Anashi, Shase Tembegi, Sukin, Conjecture Muchi, Buzo, Tikila, and Anashi, the Indian Tazaki Karaguchi, So, and Anashi, Upimejiku, Kichuri Kalan Subaku. And the Anashi Pagade Deva Shang any Kama and the Chick Taiwan, Sri Lanka, Javar, Bangladesh, Thailand, any Chick Jumping, that Chick was in the Kama number. And the Anashi Namaste Chick the June Nambank and it remained. The car, anytime they are rolling dinner, they are checking, they are checking any remaining number. They share until they are from the day as you stand with some Tongeloria, Tonga, Kushuri Mungi, any sufficient using something that understood to Shuai. Mumbai to Toria, there's an aruna, and the Anashi remain there. Shinda Tony in the Toria, and the Jersey that was shared to win, what is Tadoing, Genome, Cambridge, was a sharp at them now, and feeding on the Dolin, Yaji to a Dolin, any chip again. Ea, putting knowing, we use Simbonashi, and turn the demo, Chikuya, and Gundu, Josh, and today's lesson is Posen. We get that they pronounce there the yellow Shedan and Pepper to engineering and come check your church. Most revered aboard Shi Kaojing, the chief guest of this occasion, the scholars from the Buddhist world, particularly from Sri Lanka. We have scholars from Thailand, we have scholars from Taiwan, we have scholars from Bangladesh, and of course our host country, India. Therefore, I would like to express my most revered welcome and greetings to all the delegates that have come here to participate in the second international conference on Vinayak. Now, this has been a long felt kind of need that we always would like to see happening. Is always wanted that we should develop a bridge with the other Buddhist world, other Buddhist fellows, brothers and sisters. So therefore, I think this is one conference which is going to give a kind of push to this wish of His Holiness Dalai Lama, and I'm very glad and appreciative of the Serache Monastic Institution that they have taken this step, and we are into the second edition of this conference on Vinayak, in which we have participants from the countries that I just mentioned. I think it's important for not only for Tibetan Buddhists but for the entire Buddhist world to come together and then, to bring to surface the reality of sameness and being one. We are the follower of one faith. That's Buddhism. It's very important that we all come together and then bring together our opinions and explore the characteristics of our being Buddhist and then develop it. There will be dissimilarities here and there, small things. But basically, I think we are one group. I was speaking to one of the scholars a few minutes ago, and he happened to kind of participate in the first edition of this conference, and I just asked him how did he find this interactive exercise, and he said it was very good because it helps us to understand the oneness of our being the followers of one faith. And my feeling is, my intent is that it's very essential for us to bring it to the larger realization, a wider realization. This is through your writings, through your publications, and that helps us to make the small Buddhist population a stronger force to reckon with. Because we have so much in today's world to offer to the humanity, the goodness of humanity. And I think a conference like this will encourage us to contribute our I would say suggestions, our guidance in the world. And I think that the world is looking at us as well to they want us to give that kind of leadership. Recently, Honorable former Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh, they had a birthday, 80th birthday gathering at New Delhi, and many of the statesmen, the important people of India from all the walks of life, they had gathered in New Delhi. And in that meeting, former Prime Minister Honorable Manmohan Singh had requested His Holiness Lama to give timely advice to this great nation so that this nation can develop further, become stronger and more peaceful. I think we have the potential, and those potentials can come to surface only when we try to work together. And that, I think this is a small step, but you may say it's a giant kind of initiative. And the intent of this monastery to, as just about mentioned, continue hosting these kind of conferences in the future is very appreciated. So therefore, without much time, I would like to once again welcome the scholar delegates from the countries I just mentioned. And my request is that I just went through the program, it's very exhaustive. And the speakers are very eminent scholars. I think we can really look forward to a kind of fruitful result at the end of the conference. On behalf of my department, as Religion and Culture Center, Tibetan Administration, I wish all the participants a successful kind of conference, and which will encourage all the hosts and all the participants to wait for the third edition of this conference. Thank you very much.
During the Sejikini Dazanto, the Chitamji drilling La Pepe Punjun Shitamji Yabarma Lugi, Duatum Bachimbanam, Nathan Devil Lugi, Duatum Bachimbanam, Churi Tunjicho, Shenyang, Julian Unso, Nankin, Kyon number Sola, Ringi, Moludin Kiramuchi, Tapshude, Tamji Jashili Shui. Jewe Lungi Simba, Marchin Jewe Jasa, 바사제 베드에 다보 니딘 두어 좀 받침보 잡지 뭐 사진 루딘 케르 뭐체 된게로도 세네면은 자연 때문이마 콩기 아니 송친 마로 병원라 인생도 되지需求 제일需要 대지 단주도 졸링기 토종에 뭐 샤진로데 케르 뭐지 초 된지 쉬베이나양 콩니 로나토신 아니 샤탕범에가 여상 콩기 아니 바사제베 케베옹보 긴진 선음제도 초 콩기 구삽 쉬데 드린 디거 되어 주는라 페크고 이거 되게 졸린나 페크베 아니 카페바 따르도 김부저서 초 딜리 메고로 이 박수라 페바다 뒤송 아니 자가르 청조군도 니즈라데 하리엔 유네 아니 초다칼라 교경기 메고르데 드로모도 볼라 때네 아니 콘트린데라 페토 마선치 쉬에이 코라인 바이나 양데라 페모도 바딜라 조금 친구 남기도 제동 코란게 디케제 던전지도 뛰네 안다랭아데라 조셔스네 카페바나 신기 아니마데 잡아진 쉬에당 니 예지 던주 뒤에 졸랭기 송미 홍수 주도난게 이신 마다식 초당 송미 영라 아니 동매기 차시당 레와 샤바나 신기 아니 니즈돌 내메바 fon상 투미데와 중요바이나 아니 fon남베기 탑슈데 공세슈에이
on the second Benai International Conference. And as a chief guest, coaching from Sanctuary Vihala and Yuantong Monastery, Taiwan, and also his assistants and other scholars. And we also have great practitioners coming from different traditions, from Thailand, Sri Lanka, and so on. And we also have the representative of Kandentur, which the yellow button altar, and also to the secretary from Tibetan Culture and Religion, CTA, Dharamsala, and also to the former abbots and the present abbots, and to all the royals and so on. I, on the behalf of Sirije administration, wanted to thank you for attending this inauguration session. And I can explain to you about the Vinaya conference, the progress and so on later. And here as a presenter, Ananda Bande. And Bodhipala, and also from India, from Sri Lanka, Dr. Bhikkhu Bodhipala, sorry, from Tamil Nadu, then Janarana, from University of Chennai, Bangladesh, and Venerable Anand Bande from Mahabodhi Society, Bangalore. And also the great practice of Vinaya from Thailand, Venerable P. Sivali, Venerable Faramala Baksakon, Pia Basu, and also Venerable P. Sivali Thero from Sanat Varanasi, and also scholar Dr. Lobsang Dojira from Central Tibetan University, Central University for Tibetan Studies in Saranath, and other scholars, and as moderator here, Venerable Losang Shastriji from Central University for Tibetan Studies, and so on. So all of you has come here, even though you all have your own commitments and a lot of roles. So your presence here is a great honor for this conference. So therefore, I wanted to thank you for your presence here. So I, on the behalf of Sergey administration, wanted to thank you for coming here and making this conference wonderful. And lastly, I pray for the long life of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, and I wanted to pray for
근데